The Gold Watch is a famous story about poverty and domestic problems, written by Panchkara Rafi. In this story, Sanku was a low-paid worker at a factory. He was very poor. His mother had died. He had a wife and two children. A third child was expected to come soon. He had to take a loan from his fund to attend the death anniversary of his mother. So he was to pay the loan with interest. He owed some money to the storekeeper and tea vendor. He owed some money to the fisherman also. There were also some other urgent needs of the family. In this way, Sanku was surrounded by many domestic problems. He was so much worried that he could not sleep in the night also. He was very much confused and disturbed. He tried to find out the way to the end his misery, but he could not get any solution. Sanku had seen a gold watch on the table of the engineer. The engineer was his boss and an Englishman. He had seen that the watch remained lying on the table when the engineer went on lunch. So Sanku was tempted to steal it. He had no other alternative to solve his problems. He thought he would get a considerable amount of money by selling it. One day at 1 o'clock the bell rang for interval. Everybody was in a hurry to go out. The engineer also went home. His watch was still lying on the table. There was nobody in the office. So Sanku thought it was the best time to steal the watch. He went into the office, but he was very nervous. He was afraid being caught red-handed. His heart throbbed, but his urgent needs prompted him not to go back. So he gathered courage and put the watch into his pocket with trembling hands. Then he came out. Now he was again trembling with fear. He doubted that somebody had seen him. He thought he would be checked by the watchman at the gate. He would be dismissed from his service. So he was again much confused. He could not control his feelings. So he again went to the office, saw in all directions, and put the watch back at its place. In this way, his problems and miseries remained unsolved. इस स्टोरी में शंकु एक कारखाने में कम वेतन वाला मजदूर था। वह बहुत गरीब था। उसकी माता का देहांत हो गया था। उसकी एक पत्नी और दो बच्चे थे। एक तीसरे बच्चे के आने की शीघ्र आशा थी। उसे अपनी माँ की बरसी पर जाने के लिए अपने फंड से कर्जा लेना पड़ा था, इसलिए उसे वह कर्जा ब्याज सहित चुकाना था। कुछ धन उसे दुकानदार को तथा कुछ धन चाय वाले को देना था। मछली वाली औरत का भी धन उधार था। परिवार की और बहुत सी जरूरी आवश्यकताएं थी। इस प्रकार शंकु अनेक घरेलू समस्याओं से घिरा हुआ था। वह इतना परेशान था कि रात को सो भी नहीं सकता था। वह घबराया हुआ और चिंतित था। वह अपने इन दुखों को समाप्त करने का तरीका ढूंढने की कोशिश करता था, किंतु कोई हल नहीं ढूंढ सका। शंकु ने इंजीनियर की मेज पर एक सोने की घड़ी देखी। इंजीनियर उसका अफसर था। उसने देखा कि जब इंजीनियर दोपहर का भोजन करने जाता था तब भी वह घड़ी वहीं पड़ी रहती थी। इसलिए शंकु को लालच आ गया कि वह उसे चुरा ले। अपनी समस्याओं को हल करने का उसके पास कोई और विकल्प भी नहीं था। उसने सोचा कि इसे बेचकर उसे काफ़ी धन मिल जाएगा। एक दिन दोपहर को 1 बजे मध्यांतर की घंटी बजी। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति बाहर जाने के लिए जल्दी में था। इंजीनियर साहब भी घर चले गए। उनकी घड़ी अब भी मेज पर पड़ी थी। दफ्तर में कोई व्यक्ति भी नहीं था, इसलिए शंकु ने सोचा कि घड़ी चुराने का सबसे अच्छा समय है। वह दफ्तर में गया, किंतु वह बहुत घबराया हुआ था। उसे रंगे हाथों पकड़े जाने का भय था। उसका हृदय धड़क रहा था, किंतु उसकी जरूरी आवश्यकताएं उसे पीछे न हटने के लिए प्रेरित कर रही थी। इसलिए उसने साहस बटोरा और कांपते हुए हाथों से घड़ी को अपने जेब में रख लिया। फिर वह बाहर आया। अब वह पुनः भय से कांप रहा था। उसे संदेह हुआ कि किसी ने उसे देख लिया है। उसने सोचा कि गेट पर चौकीदार उसे रोक लेगा, उसे नौकरी से हटा दिया जाएगा। वह पुनः घबरा गया। वह अपनी भावनाओं पर नियंत्रित न कर सका। इसलिए वह दफ्तर में पुनः गया, चारों ओर देखा और घड़ी को वापस उसी स्थान पर रख दिया। इस प्रकार उसकी सारी समस्याएं और दुख बिना हल किए ही रह गए। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, वेयर डिड शंकु वर्क? आंसर, शंकु वर्कड इन अ फैक्ट्री एज low paid laborer. Question second, what were Shanku's problems and how did he plan to solve them? Answer, the main problem of Shanku was his poverty. He was not able to pay off his debts. His poverty checked him from buying ointment and 2 ripe bananas for his baby. His other problem was wife's pregnancy. He planned to solve them by stealing the gold watch of his British engineer. Question third, what time of day did Shanku think was the most suitable for stealing the gold watch and why? Answer, Shanku thought that interval was the most suitable time for stealing the gold watch because at this time everyone went out for lunch. Question 4. What did Shanku's wife ask him to bring from the market? Answer, Shanku's wife asked him to bring from the market ointment for the sore of her child's body and 2 bananas also. Question 5. What stopped Shanku from stealing the watch in the beginning? Answer, Shanku was afraid of being caught, so this thing stopped Shanku from stealing the watch. Question 6. Why could he no longer postpone the act of stealing? Answer, Shanku had many urgent needs. He needed money very soon, so he could not no longer postpone the act of stealing. Question 7. What made Shanku decide that he had no other choice but to steal? Answer, Shanku's urgent needs and pressure of the people to pay loan made him decide that he had no other choice but to steal. Question 8. Describe how Shanku stole the gold watch. Answer, one day Shanku saw that his engineer had gone to lunch and his watch was lying on his table. So Shanku went into the office, looked all around him and put the watch in his pocket with trembling hands. Question 9. Why did Shanku curse himself? Answer, when Shanku knew that his wife was pregnant, he thought that it would be another burden on him. So he cursed himself. Question 10. What were Shanku's feelings before stealing the watch? Answer, Shanku was much afraid before stealing the watch. He feared that someone might see him. He was nervous. His heart throbbed. Question 11. What thoughts troubled Shanku after committing the theft? Answer, after committing the theft, Shanku feared that somebody had seen him stealing the watch. He would be caught as a thief. He would be dismissed from his job. These thoughts troubled Shanku very much. Question 12. Shanku was essentially an honest man. Do you agree with the statement? Give reason in support of your answer. Answer, I fully agree with the statement that Shanku was essentially an honest man. He stole the watch under the compulsion of his poverty, but he could not keep it with him and put back on the table of his officer. So it also shows that he was honest. Question 13. What made Sanku put the watch back on the table? Answer. Sanku put the watch back on the table because he was afraid of being caught and punished.